Welcome to Old Jefferson Town's Reynolds Store. The Reynolds Store was originally located in McLough, Kansas. It was built in 1887 by R.W. Reynolds, who sold dry goods until the 1920s. He then sold the store to the Osborne brothers, who ran it as a general store for another 40 years. The structure was donated in 1970 and is complete with original shelves and counters. Directly in front of the Reynolds building is the original millstone from the Ozaki mill. It was used to grind various grains. Our nostalgic boardwalk connects 4 of our buildings. Also throughout the grounds are various memorial tributes, including benches and seating areas that have been donated. Feel free to stroll along the boardwalk as our ancestors did, or sit a spell. If you'd like to contact Old Jefferson Town or the Jefferson County Historical Society, please feel free to use one of these avenues. Our email is info@jchsks.com or via our website at oldjeffersontown.com. Thank you for visiting the Reynolds General Store. You are currently located at number 4 on the map. And if you need a larger map, one is located in front of the jail, or number 3. Also, if you're visiting during our open hours, the restrooms are located behind the Curry House. Just walk around to the back of the house.